Wow, it smells so good, so garlicky. Hi everybody, I'm Christina Vonti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make lime butter sauce. This is my take on a lime butter sauce recipe from Bon Appetit magazine from like, I don't know, 15 years ago. It is awesome. Thank you, Bon Appetit. You guys rock. Okay, so 1/4 cup of fresh lime juice. Okay, teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. Okay, 1 clove of garlic. This was a big fat clove of garlic, which is the way I like it, okay? All right, clove of garlic. And what you want to do is you just want to drop it into your food processor and just run it really quick for about, I don't know, 10 seconds. Just kind of get it till it's all mixed in together. All right, now, keep your food processor running. Muy importante. Here we go. Then, while your food processor is running, you're going to put 1 stick of vegan butter or regular butter. You're going to pour it in. It's melted, 1 stick of regular butter or vegan butter. Melted. You're going to pour it in. Okay, and just let it run until it's totally emulsified. It's looking good. All right. Wow, it smells so good, so garlicky. All right, just gonna pour it into here. And then what you can do is just throw it in your fridge. Not throw it, you know what I'm saying, okay? Put it in your fridge, and it's great. You can put this on fish, you could put this on rice, on quinoa. I mean, if you really want to get cray-cray, you could put it on toast. Okay, but we are going to use it later on some grilled salmon. Thanks for watching.